Hello everyone, this is Abby Jo at Forgotten Way Farms, and thank you for joining us on this cozy winter day at the cottage. So today I thought we would make some cookies. It's just so cozy outside. The snow is just dumping down. It looks like we're in a snow globe and the fire's going. So I thought after school it would just be a perfect time to make cookies, play a game with the kids, read books, and just practice some of our HYGGE. For those of you that might not know what HYGGE is, here is a brief explanation. The Danish practice of creating warmth, connection, and well-being, a complete absence of anything frustrating or emotionally overwhelming, taking pleasure from the presence of gentle, soothing things, and celebrating the everyday. To me, it's the ritual of enjoying life's simple pleasures and being in the moment with family, friends, or even by yourself. To me, a clean space is very HYGGE. And with all the construction that has been going on for the last 6 months, I've been slowly dusting and deep cleaning everything. This chair was a really fun find this summer at the local thrift store. It's vintage and it's a library chair that turns into a ladder to get books down from the shelves. I love it so much, and I recently moved my desk by the fireplace too, as a cozy spot to write at. I have been really enjoying my grain grinder this winter, experimenting with adding whole grains to my baked goods. I used to cook with whole grains when we lived off-grid, but in the last few years of moving and remodeling our last few places, I have fallen out of practice. So I have a renewed joy in grinding my own flour and trying out different grains. Today I'm using a golden spring wheat for these triple chocolate chip cookies out of my cookbook, Cozy Christmas Baking. I didn't have brown sugar, so I just added a little molasses to my organic cane sugar, and the cookies turned out lovely. Now the cookies will chill out in the fridge for a few while I make a hot cup of tea. I always add a healthy 1 or 2 teaspoons of loose leaf to my cup. This blend is a lovely cream and berries. Preheating the oven and lighting a candle to cheer up the kitchen. That's how I feel about candles. They cheer up any area, especially during the long winter days. When I make tea in my teapot, I add 1 teaspoon per cup of water and 1 extra teaspoon for the pot, and that makes a nice pot of tea. Tea time in some form is a way of life at our home. It's a nice break in our day of work and school, and I find it a relaxing and cozy respite in the day. Sometimes I have tea with one child, and other times it's the whole family. My little one often talks me into playing a quick game of cards. Cozy afternoons by the fireplace are meant for baking, hot drinks, books, knitting, music, painting and sketching, playing games, candles, poems, talking, laughing, or just sitting and staring at the warm fireside. If you are interested in this recipe, you can find the link in the description below or at ForgottenWayFarms.com.